episode of Josh's Mac Museum. Today we're doing a bit of a different repair. We are going to be installing this SSD into this old 2009 27-inch iMac, which I picked up for a lot less than is probably market value for it. And I'm hoping that we are going to get it to go a bit quicker with this SSD. Let's see how we go. So first I had to remove the front glass. I did this using my suckers that I bought from iFixit. Then I selected the right Torx screwdriver and removed the Torx screws that surround the display. I then attempted to pull the display out. I had to disconnect the cables first, and then out came the display. Next, it was a simple matter of removing the hard drive and its bracket, and then replacing the hard drive with the SSD sitting in the same place. I reconnected SATA, then I reconnected the display, and this turned out to be quite fiddly as there are several different connectors that need to be plugged in. Then once I'd finished that, I connected it to power, turned it on to make sure it would boot, and you may note it booted into Big Sur, which there'll be another video about in future. And then it was just a matter of screwing in the rest of the Torx screws that surround the display. I gave it a quick wipe down, snapped the glass back into place, and whammo! One much faster 27-inch iMac. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.